Hello and welcome from Budapest. This is Hungary Reports from Public Media M1, bringing you the latest news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin in English. I'm Árpád Szőci. Thanks for tuning in. The lifting of some major restrictions against COVID-19 began on Monday in all Hungarian counties except for Budapest and Pest County. That means that stores in most of the nation can return to normal working hours. Furthermore, restaurants, cafes and pastry shops can serve customers on their terraces or in their courtyards. And public beaches and zoos are also open, as are church services. However, in the Hungarian capital and surrounding Pest County, restrictions haven't changed. Stay-at-home orders still apply, and wearing a face mask is mandatory when using public transit or shopping. Incidentally, that face mask rule applies throughout the country. Despite some restrictions being eased for most of Hungary, hospitals and care centers across the country still prohibit visitation rights. That decision is based on both domestic and foreign experiences, since those institutions are the most prone to spreading COVID-19. And data from Hungary's chief medical officer show that the virus has been found at 30 retirement homes. Furthermore, now another such establishment in Budapest has shown a huge surge in people testing positive for COVID-19, with at least 33 retirees and 9 staff infected. And you can now book regular doctor's appointments. That includes family physicians, dentists, specialists, and even having outpatient procedures done. The Minister of Human Resources, Miklós Kásler, said that you have to first call for an appointment and not just show up unannounced at a doctor's office. Physicians are now allowed to see up to 4 patients per hour, and they must also have their offices disinfected after every examination. More than 17.5 million protective face masks arrived in Hungary last week, and more protective equipment is on its way this week, too. That's what Hungary's Foreign Affairs and Trade Minister said in Parliament. Péter Szijjártó said that, according to his information, almost 100 million face masks have arrived in the country since the outbreak of COVID-19. He added that reports stating that Chinese goods don't meet European standards are not true. And a brand new handbook on COVID-19 hopes to help the beleaguered hotel industry. It's published by the Hungarian Tourism Board and features the necessary steps hotels and eateries have to take. The head of the Tourism Board added that they took into consideration the recommendations from domestic healthcare services and what was happening in Western Europe. And before we leave you, for you Hungarian soccer fans, the game resumes in Hungary on May 23rd with the semi-finals of the Hungarian Cup, and a week later, the entire First Division starts up. That's all for now from Hungary Reports, but you can always see us in repeats and online. We're back live at about 11:20 p.m. local time. Please stay tuned. We also have shows in German, Russian, and Chinese. And please be mindful of COVID-19 and follow the guidelines, such as social distancing and wearing a protective face mask. Thanks for watching, and viszontlátásra.